Hi guys, I hope you are all well. It's been a while since we hung out in Stockholm and I'm at the moment just enjoying being back home with my routines. You know, when you're out traveling, it's all really nice and free. However, I just get lost from my routines and it's been so nice to just be able to take some break, take time to focus on my exercise, eating healthy and doing some of my routines to glow up. So in this video I'm gonna take you guys with me through my weekend and also talk about some of my favorite items that help me glow up, both inside and outside. So I'm going to divide my favorites into different categories, starting with some skincare. And first up is this collagen wrapping mask from Medipil, and it has really worked like an Instagram filter in a bottle for me. This is a collagen wrapping mask that helps to capture and nourish the skin with low molecular weight collagen, and it's like filling in the enlarged and sagging pores and really makes my skin feel glowy, and it feels so baby soft after using it. And it is a quite interesting formula. Basically, you just squeeze approximately 5 milliliters and you avoid the eyes and lips area. After 30 minutes, it has dried completely and then you should peel it off from the face. And some people may think it's disgusting, but I actually feel it quite satisfying to peel the mask off. I often wear it after using a peeling, and one of the peel masks that I have really been seeing great result from is the Verso Peel Mask with Enzyme AHA and PHA. And what this is basically doing is that it reduces the skin's pigments drastically. So really love these two combo that I've been using in the past few weeks, approximately once every week. And I had a break from them during a few weeks at my parents' place and noticed during that time that I got some pimples and breakouts, and because I basically forgot to bring those in my travel case. And after getting back home again and starting to use them, I really saw a big improvement on my skin. And next up on my favorites I want to talk about is the lip combo that I got so many compliments for. Honestly, people have asked me if I've had them done with Botox because they look so plump. I have been using the Charlotte Tilbury lip cheat in medium 2 Pillow Talk, and it's a very beautiful pinky brown shade, and it's so soft on the lips, and you can blend it out so that it magically enlarges your lips and looks so natural on. And I use this lip gloss from Chanel, which gives such a beautiful shine, a hint of pink. It looks more pink in the bottle. It's in the shade Rouge Coco Gloss 804, and it's just such a beautiful hint of pink, and it also feels so hydrating on the lips and lasts over 3 or 4 hours drinking, and even after I eat a little bit they are still stayed put on the lips. It's not sticky at all, and I really highly recommend it, even though the price is a bit higher than many lip glosses. I think this is worth it. Next up are my supplements, and it is this wild blueberry powder and the sea buckthorn powder, and I bought it on the airport on my last business trip to Helsinki earlier in spring. And they often are referred as superfood and are anti-inflammatory and boost immunity, but most importantly this sea buckthorn is excellent for rebuilding and incorporating stable collagen into the body, and the wild blueberry is rich in vitamins and help to detox the body. And of course these are just a few of the many benefits that I have researched online about these. I just find it brilliant that you get them in powder form so that I can just pour it into any of my smoothies or granola bowls in the morning. And for me this has been a game changer, because normally I often forget to put berries or don't have the time to wash and cut the fruits to add them into my bowls in the morning. So this has just been perfect. So highly recommend these. My next favorite is kind of random maybe, but it's actually a game changer for my ballerina shoes. When wearing them during summer I have noticed how the feet gets more sweaty if I don't wear any socks in it, and I just can't stand those socks which slips off very easily. So I bought these very affordable socks with some beautiful lining, and they have actually this anti-slip all around. So often the socks with anti-slip, they only have it on the back, but this one is lined all the way, and also looks very cute when wearing them. It also have this anti-slip down here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like you see it as these small flowers. So basically these were amazingly priced. I believe I paid like €1 per each of these. I will link to these below. Next are these. Can you guess what these are? It's not for the breasts. It's actually for the feet. I have been on the hunt for something that would make my heels more comfortable. So basically you put in your feet here, and then you get the support. I will share with you how it looks like, because I'm planning to wear them with my Hermes Oasis sandal, and I tend to feel that it's quite uncomfortable after using them for too long in the evenings. So I found that I wanted to start using these, and I tried them on a few times, and it feels like walking on clouds. So highly recommend these. And these were like also really cheap. I think I paid like maybe €1.5. Another favorite of mine is this camellia white flower. It's not from Chanel, but it looks like it. It's actually a hairband, which as well put as an accessory on the arm when you don't use it. But I find that it has been really elevating the hair, and especially when I pull it up like in half up to, it looks really beautiful and very summery and elegant at the same time. And this I actually bought at Temu for like less than €2 or so, and it looks absolutely stunning on. It's actually getting quite gloomy outside. It has been pouring down rain lately, so I think we will stay at home to make some tea and bake some banana bread after our last, which is a small unboxing of a purchase I did actually in Copenhagen. It's in this tiny small bag, and it's just this little guy. Look how cute. It's a coin purse, and big enough to put keys and lipsticks and other things like AirPods and so on. I really think it's a beautiful color, and I have been looking for a smaller pouch where I can put my keys or coins in, because it's normally scratching my bags, and I sometimes can't find my things properly. So this little guy will definitely be handy, and I love the color. It gives me a little bit of fall vibes, but at the same time it is having this meaning for me, as in Asia you often look on red as prosperous, and often during New Year's Eve you get the red package, and this to me just looks like a very cute red package, and it will be handy now during our trip to Italy. So really looking forward to use this.
시간은 흘러 이젠 여기까지 살면서 든 생각 없어 맘에 드는 사람 넌 나만이 컸어 그냥 뒀어 외로운 그 맘은 불 붙여 지활화탄을 붉고 서서히 태가네 다리 밑 주저앉아 순식간에 지나갈 시간 그냥 what's up 후회할 순 없어 어지러워 외정 여러 마음들 흩어져 난 돌아가면서 기억이 하나 두 경 없어져 그래도 남아있을걸 너가 말들 난 안 잊을래 Pretend I'm fine alone but then that would just make me feel like I don't know.
This is what we waited for in like 30 minutes. Let's see if it tastes as good as they say. Actually really good. Thanks a lot for hanging out with me. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video, and if you would like to see more reviews and snapshots from my life, please consider subscribing. I will see you again on my next one. Bye!